welcome to a new video. Thank you so much for being here with me today. So this video I just started off with my morning prayer. Um, I do every morning. I just try to take a moment to just sit down before I even start my day. I believe in allowing God into or inviting God into your day so that He can guide and direct us through our days and also give us the strength that we need um, within the day to do our daily works. My husband is at work. My kids does go to school. I am at home. We do wake up in the same house, but our days do differ. Within the day, we have different things that we are doing. So I really do love just talking to God and asking Him to protect my family, to direct their paths, to be with them, and then just pray in general for extended families and whatnot. So I do really believe in just taking a moment and just having to speak to God. That is the most important time of my day. So I just took a moment to pray after my kids were already gone to school. So this was around about 6:30. They were already they left for school. So I just sat down after they left, and then I decided to do my morning prayer. This does not look the same every morning. Sometimes I do sit down when I wake up, before I even wake them up. Sometimes it is after they go to school. So it does look different every morning, but I do feel like it is so important to invite God in our daily lives. After my kids were gone, um, Tyrese fell asleep. He does still, I do still breastfeed him, so he was exhausted. He did wake up just after I woke up, so he was up this morning around 5. He was up already. I do wake up 4:30, so he was up by 5 already, and he cried. When he saw his siblings get ready for school, he wanted to take a bath with them. So I just gave him a bath while they were preparing as well. So around about 6:30, he was out, and that gave me some time to just do some self-care. So I just took my bath and got myself ready for the day, and then after I just also did some tidying around my home. I just went around making up all the beds in my house and just making some fresh air come into my home, opening up windows, just tidying up the spaces that I felt like needed some tidying. Yeah, I did not have really much to do since I did tidy up the night before. Thank God. I feel like tidying up the night before is like giving yourself, the future you, a gift. Because you wake up to a clean, tidy space. So it is so refreshing to just wake up to no clutter. So I was just washing out all our morning dishes and the dishes that I made while preparing for them breakfast and whatnot. So it was not even much dishes. So I love starting my morning so calm, and I really don't have much to do in the mornings. Then I can spend more time on my self-care, or rather on reading my word, or just relaxing. taking some time just to relax or edit or whatever I have to do for that time. So I just took that time to basically just tidy up. Blow it, boy. It's still hot.
Huh?
Blow it.
And Auntie Lela is putting on a beauty.
Why? Auntie Nela's not.
I want to put on my music.
Okay. Where's your speaker?
Huh?
Where's your speaker?
Now I want to put on my music on a TV.
On the TV? Okay. So I give you the remote? Okay.
But I want it.
Wow. That's
Yes.
Acha. Egg. What? No, you can't just eat acha, boy.
It says Atsa. Why are you putting the Atsa?
See what I do. Put acha on the eggs. Yes. Yes. You're gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it. You can't drink coffee now. Mama. Mama. Are you a kid?
What's in there?
I don't know. What is it? Milk. Did you miss?
Yeah?
Why? Because what?
Because. Now that is tight. Can I do it? That is tight.
You're not wet. You're only wet here. Come and see. You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Is it? What do you wanna do outside?
No, then that is tight. That is tight.
It's what?
Tight.
It's not cake.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately, it's you stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lie like alright, take your stuff back, baby, it's you.
It's not.
Baby,
See?
it's you.
Read. Sit 7.
What did you think? You could say whatever and I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you.
The big girl. Is a what?
Lie like alright, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you.
I see a 10.
I see a 10. Make a 10. And again.
Baby, it's you.
You see the 10, Auntie Nella? Make 10. Hey. Arisa man.
If I was Father Time, then I would change the day.
I do really like to go outside just to get some vitamin D. And also I feel like it's so good for me. It relaxes me so much. Even when I feel stressed out, I just go and sit outside in my yard for some few minutes. I really do go out there and envision what I still want to do with the back of my yard. I do really want to plant a few veggies, and I just want so much more greenery in the backyard. And as I mentioned, Tyrese, or I'm not sure if I mentioned, Tyrese just turned 3. I really just want to get him more to do things at home, like get him some books. He really likes coloring. Obviously he likes to do creative things, because his siblings is more of the creative kind of children. So I really just like to do some activities with him throughout the day. Yeah, man, so I just went out and then just spent some time outside because I knew I still had some laundry to fold. I just went inside, started folding the laundry before my kids come from school. Then it is homework time. So I just took that moment to just blow off some steam, I guess. I went into my house and started folding my laundry, and my sister was at home on this day. She did not go to work, she did not feel so yeah, man, it is nice to have some company, because I am at home always alone. And we were just having some editing and some YouTube conversations. Basically, I was just explaining to her what I still want to do and what not. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope to see you soon. I love you guys. Stay blessed. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.
No, got stuck on working on myself. Thought I was wrong and needed help, but I'm just different, something else.